Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be discussing about an amazing essay competition through which you can win a trip to Korea and amazing cash prizes. So the name of this competition is All India 8th Korea India Friendship Essay Competition 2020, and do watch the video till end because I'll be sharing each and every information regarding it. If you are new to this channel, do hit the bell icon and a like button. So let's begin. So this is the home page of this site, and I'll be giving the link in the description box through which you can directly move to this site. Now, talking about the details of essay contest, here you can find the details regarding prizes, instructions and referral material. So first we'll be discussing instructions. So first thing is activity format. As this is an essay competition, so the students have to write the essay and send to them. This essay writing contest is divided into two groups. First one is junior group and second one is senior group. Junior group consists of class 6 to 9th students, and senior group consists of students of class 10th and 12th. The topic of essay for junior group is how will I introduce South Korea to my friends, and the word limit is 150 to 300, and the language is only English. And for senior group, the topic is how South Korea inspires me. The word limit is 300 to 500 and language is English. Now, after writing the essay, you can send it through three ways. First is through email, second is through WhatsApp, and third is you can post it. If you choose to send it through email, you need to click on this email ID. If you want to send it through WhatsApp, you can use this phone number, and if you want to post it, then this is the address given. Now, moving next, which is the last date is 18th August 2020. Now, terms and conditions. So main terms and we'll be discussing only main terms and conditions. First is the essay should be handwritten or typed. Second, only Indian students can participate in this contest. No other country student can do it. Third is the eligible participants are from class 6th to 12th. And there is no participation fee. So it is free competition. And top 3 winners will be getting a trip to Korea, which will consist of 6-day and 5-night trip, and maximum rupees 10,000 for airfare, and maximum rupees 5,000 if you choose train fare. Now the main thing is the winners of essay contest of previous year 2013 to 2019 who have traveled to Korea are not eligible for free trip to Korea even if they win. This is because they want other participants to get a chance to travel Korea. Now, moving to referral material. So already I have told you the topics for junior group and senior group. Now, if you want a sample essay for junior group, you can click on this download button. I'll be giving the link in the description box also. You can directly open the link and get the sample essay. And you can even go through this essay which has been given on this site and get some ideas. Now for senior, if you want sample essay for senior group, you can again click on this download button. I'll be giving the link in the description box for senior group also. And you can again go through the essay which has been given on the site for group 2, which is senior group. Now the last and the most exciting part, which is prizes. So here they have given prizes for winners for senior group and prizes for winners in junior group. Here, the trip to Korea, which is the most exciting prize, is only for the senior groups, which means 10th, 11th and 12th class students. First 3 position holders will be getting the chance. First position holder, second 2A, and then second position holder 2A will be getting a chance to travel Korea. Others will be getting exciting cash prizes. Now coming to the junior group. Here the first and second position holder will also be getting the prize money only. They will not be given a chance to travel Korea. So the prize money for first position holder for junior group will be 20,000 and for second position holder it will be 10,000 each. Then moving on, it will be 5,000 for third position holder and further on it will be 1,000 for special prizes. So that's all for today. Do like, share, comment to my YouTube channel, that is Grasping Grade. Thanks for watching.